Hey guys, I'm back again. Today I just want to give you an up-close look. This is the Dewalt Flexvolt, and as you can see clearly right here, it is a 60 volt max, and it does have that braking system. Guys, I do want to give you an up-close look at the model because it is very important. So this is the DCS 578 7 1/4 cordless circular saw, guys. And like I said, I'm no expert, but I have used every kind of charger and every kind of saw there is, and by far this Dewalt saw, I can't say how long it's been out, but it's relatively new. It is very lightweight, very simple to use, guys. As you can see, I got the 9 amp battery that come with the saw when I ordered it. It also came with the battery charger, and well, overall I haven't found nothing that I disliked about this saw yet, guys. It is very lightweight for its size. It has incredible strength. Like, the power of this saw is unrecognizable as far as a portable saw. And like I said, I've used several of them. Over the past week, I continuously beat this saw up just to test its boundaries. And like I said, it's a very remarkable saw. Everything about it I found was real simple, easy to use. It came with a wrench to take your blade off. I wore the first blade that come with it, a Dewalt, straight off, and well, as you can see, I put another on it. And everything about it, see, the braking system is very fast on this saw, guys. It tells you the rotation right here on the thing, so you don't mix or match which way your blades go on. Easy to hang up, set somewhere. I want to say you got enough to throw on a 2x4 for sure right here, guys. You got about 2 or so inches on the width of that. It does tell you, and it's got its own little point bevel system down there. It's easy to find the right bevel. Battery comes out of it so simple, guys. So simple just to slide back in it too. The safety switch is great as well, guys. You won't cut your finger off, so if you're just dangling along, you got to hit the safety on it, of course. Overall, guys, that's the Dewalt, and like I said, it works great for me, and I definitely approve of this one. Thanks, guys.